In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp community group. So first things, I'm going on my Android phone. Now you can see this is chatbot. Now click on this plus icon. Now you can see here are new group. Now you need to select some people for creating those. For example, purpose. I select maybe those only for example purpose. This one. Now you need to select a group name. Example purpose I select columns fan. Now if you want to add a mm, profile picture, just click on here, then click on gallery. So I select at maybe I selected this flower image, then click on done. Now here are group permission. You can edit group setting, send a new message, invite by a link or QR code, approve new member, edit group setting, the include name icon. Okay, turn off this one. Okay, this is good. Now click on tick mark. Wow, this is creating a group. Now you can add. Wow, your community are created now. So here are you can add how to add member, right? Just click on add member, then you can invite any person to add here. So this is very easy work. Purpose. Okay, everything are good. So if you have found this very helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.